Are you focused? Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing an opening video, and my BOXYCHARM came in for the month of, what is this, November? We are getting it in November. It's about the middle of November right now. I'm hoping to air this in the next couple of days, but I got my BOXYCHARM in for November. We're going to open this together and hopefully try some stuff on. If you're new here, hi, welcome. I open these things, try some of them on. I do this every Thursday and Sunday, so you should totally like and subscribe. Just saying. Anywho, without further ado, let's open this up and get to trying. My handy dandy knife. And we open it. And as always, you have the nice black Hello Charmer, and then at the top it has @BOXYCHARM, #BOXYCHARM. They, I think, are on pretty much every platform, I want to say. Give it a try. Oh, it opens. Okay, so this is my box for this month. Exciting. Everything's pretty much face down. I got a, oh, how cute. I got a 25% off NATASHA DENONA. It says NATASHA DENONA is treating charmers to 25% off site-wide. Visit the website and then use the code NDXBOXY. Give it a try if you want some NATASHA DENONA stuff. I don't think I've ever tried their stuff. Oh my gosh! This is so cute! Oh my god, look at this. It is the BOXYCHARM theme for the month. It's Harvest. It's a little bent or warped, I should say. But look. Oh. Look how cute that is. You have like the pumpkin, the pine cones, the acorns. Oh, that is cute. This says fall. Thank you. It hasn't even really felt like fall. I mean, except for the last like 2 days here in Arizona, because it's been like still in the hundreds, except for the last few days we dropped down into the 60s. And some weather whiplash right there, but still pretty cool. And I got box variation number 40. You'll be able to tell down here in the corner of your card. Let's go ahead and jump right in. We're gonna go through, see what the items are and how much they are. The first, oh, this explains it. So the first one is a NATASHA DENONA Peak Palette for $48, which explains the coupon. Oh, that's what this is. Okay, so this, okay, so it's all wrapped up. You can't really tell. Is this how it normally comes? I'm a little thrown off. It says on this side, NATASHA DENONA Peak 5 eyeshadow palette, and then it has the different colors, Aya, Jasper, Thorn, Amhara, and Shine. But this is an odd box. This is like something I get from IKEA. Anybody else? No? Okay. Let me open this. Huh. This is weird. I mean, maybe it's for shipping purposes. And here's the palette. This is actually really beautiful. Look at this. $48. But gosh, this is pretty. These are all mattes, and then the last one is a shimmer. I might have to do a look with this. I kind of really want to. That's really cute. I like it. Those are my colors. That's my Harvest color right there. Okay. Moving on. Earth Harbor Naturals. It is a Helios anti-pollution youth ampoule for $48. What are you? What is that? Is that you? Nope. I got bubble wrap for some reason. Not in anything, not on anything. What are you? Nope. I got this chilling on top. Nope. Are you it? Nope. Are you it? Yes. Okay. So I found it. I've never heard of this brand before. Earth Harbor, and it says Helios Anti-Pollution Youth Ampoule. Has red algae and plant stem cells. It's plant-based, no GMOs, vegan, cruelty-free, sustainable, fair trade, no gluten added, no soy added, small batch made, and woman-owned. I just want to take a look and see what's on the inside. I'm about to turn that fan off though, let me tell you. It's bothering me. Oh, you're pretty. My goodness. Is that just the bottle? I think that's just the bottle, but look how pretty that gradient is. You got like the ombre look going on. That's pretty. We're smelling it. Oh, that smells nice. That is definitely skincare. This is nice. I'm gonna put it back in the box though, so I don't break it. And this was also $48. Look how cute the packaging is though. And then on the side, look. That's adorable. Just saying. Throwing it out there. The next item is a JOUER Cosmetics Lip Enhancer. $17. Lip enhancer? JOUER? Ooh. Lip enhancer. Conditioning lip treatment. So, are we a chapstick for $17? It does a little bit more than that. So hear me out here. It is infused with good-for-you clean ingredients. This lip enhancer offers a smooth, silky formula that will protect your lips from the environmentally damaging elements while providing lasting hydration. Sounds like a chapstick. Oh, come on, open box. So that's what this is. It's a cute box too, though. It really reminds me of a chapstick. I do love chapstick though. Conditioning lip treatment. I love chapsticks though. I don't think I can ever have enough, so I'm not mad at it. But $17, sir. Are we for real? $17. Okay. Then we have INT Cosmetics Lip Oil, $11. Ooh. Red E Lip Oil. That's cute. We got the little... Oh my, look at this. Take a look. Take a look at this. Look at this. It's actually kind of cute. $11. I like lip oils. I especially like them in the summer just because my chapsticks will actually melt in my purse, on my person, in my car. If I leave them anywhere close to the sun, especially here in Arizona in the summer, they melt. The oils, not so much because they're already a liquid form. So, plus for me. This one, perfect product for those who want hydration and moisture, but only a flush of color. This lip oil can easily be applied on the go, on top of lipstick, or for an added sheen. Cute. $11. I've never heard of this brand though. That's good though. I like trying new things. The last thing I have in here is the Bodyography Eye Pencil Duo for $16. Eye pencil 2-pack. Can I open it? Didn't I get one of these not too long ago from... I don't think it was this brand though, but from BOXYCHARM. Is it that time of year? So I got a black and a brown. And these are $16 if I didn't already mention that. A black and a brown. These are cute though. Okay. I did get some previously. Hold up. Let me pull them up here. They were Ace Beauty. The ones I got previously were Ace Beauty. My bad. These are cute though. Thank you, Bodyography, or thank you, BOXYCHARM. One is in the color Onyx, which is the black, and the other one is Black Walnut, which is the dark brown. We might try those too. This is my BOXYCHARM box that I got for the month of November. I think this is very cute. A lot of small items this month, but big price tag still, $140. That's pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and put some of this on. Give me a minute here so I can get situated. Okay. I don't hate it. And I mean, I'm looking at this up close and it's still good. We got a bit of fallout, but I mean, I was not expecting this pigment payoff at all. I mean, when you look at, hold on, let me open it for you. When you look at this, I did not expect to see that all up here. Dang. I feel like I messed up on this because I went really hard with my brush in the pan because I wasn't seeing the color lift off as much as I normally would. So I was assuming this is dry, this had no pigment, it was very blah. And then I put it on my face and I made a mistake. I underestimated this palette and I should not have. This is good. This is good. This is good. Let me move on. Let me move on to the eyeliners. I think these are, yeah, eyeliners. Linier de Ojos. I normally do black, but I'm going to do something different this time and go with the brown. Just because this had a brown in it, I don't feel like I was able to use it like I wanted to because I went so heavy with the other colors. The brown wouldn't have shown up too good anyway. So let me just come in with this and wing it. We have a problem. Do you not? Okay, so it works. It just doesn't want to work on my eye. Maybe this side? Not really. Okay. I'm gonna try the black because this brown is not working well at all. Let me just try and fix my mistakes here. Oh, this is hard. Are you supposed to be this hard? This is an eye pencil. Bodyography, what's going on? Is this a joke? Are these meant to be like push pins? Okay, let's try. These are definitely not for me. I tried with my eyeliner and this is horrible. Bodyography, your pencils are really hard. It looks like the pigment's there. There's color. It's difficult. I feel like, you know how when you were little and you're like, oh my god, I want those Crayola crayons, and your parents were like, well, how about these rose art ones? Those are basically wax. You bought me wax, not even like good colored wax. I'm gonna say no. What is this? No. Am I using them wrong? Am I supposed to light them on fire, chant, give a sacrifice? I'm gonna go with no. How you do that? Maybe it's that. Maybe it's the eyeshadow. Maybe it's the eyeshadow. Maybe you can do it on top of eyeshadow because that's what I have on now currently because my eyes are not normally this harvesty. So maybe that's it. I don't know. I'm gonna go ahead and move on though to the lippy that we got. It is called Red E. Well, Red Y lip oil. Cute. You see a little bubble. There comes. There comes. Bigger than a sneaker. Oh, okay, a lot came out. Oh. So this is, you know when you make the, what are they, confetti cupcakes or the confetti cake mix, and you have the batter. That's what this tastes like. That's what this smells like. This is the texture that I'm getting right now. And I got sheen and I got a little bit of color, but this isn't going to be worth it for me. No. I'm going to pass this on to one of my nieces faux show, because no. It makes me want to make the cake but not bake the cake, because I just want to eat the batter, because this is what it reminds me of. Oh my gosh. So, yeah, how about that? Overall, though, I think this BOXYCHARM box was a pretty good one. This is the BOXYCHARM base box for November. A total value, I think, of $140 is what I got. Not all the products are for me. I'll just let you know right now. I'll try and review the other ones in later videos, but just as a heads up, not all of them are for everybody. Yeah. Let me know what you got in your BOXYCHARM box. Do you get the normal BOXYCHARM? What is it? The base, the plus, the platinum, the premier. I don't know. I used to have all three of them, but I wasn't really getting things worthwhile, so I had to cut some out. I think just for this, which is $48, this box is well worth it for the month of November. I may not like all the products that I get in my boxes all the time, but this is really great. I really want to do this look over again, especially with this palette. I did not give it a fair chance. I didn't think it was going to be as good as it is now. So stay tuned for that, hopefully, if I remember. I think that's about it. I kind of want to try the other products too. This is going somewhere else because I can't do this. Looks cute though, right? Anyway, thanks for hanging out. I will catch you next time. Remember, Thursday, Sunday. Bye.